So here we have some HTML with standard tags. So I'm going to install the preview plugin for Visual Studio Code. So I hit Control-Shift-X. Right, do more. Control-Shift-X. There we go. So that was Control-Shift-X to give me the extensions, and I'm going to look for the preview. So here this is preview version 2.1. I'm going to install that. And as you can see, if we look down, so on Linux and Windows, Control-Shift-V should give us the preview for HTML. There's no standard HTML preview available in Visual Code or VS Code, so we have to install it. So let's give that a shot. This is taking a bit of time. So the download and install is now complete, and if I have a look at it here, I can see that it's enabled. I can disable it if I want. So I'm going to now use it. So to close this, I hit Control-B. So Control-B will close that, and I don't need this anymore. So now I want to preview this HTML, so I hit Control-Shift-V. And there we go, my HTML basics. So there's nothing in there, so I can't see anything. So let's add some content. So we'll put in a header. Which one? Maybe I misspelled header there. Hard to say. And then blah, blah, blah. And let's have a look at our preview. Let's reload this. Control-Shift-V. Oops, sorry. Control-Shift-V. And there we go. Header level 1. So this is useful because we don't want to always have to go into a browser, but it's important to eventually go to a browser. In any case, there we go. We're ready to do some HTML.